Morning, folks. We're at Animal Kingdom, but we're only at Animal Kingdom to get a transfer to Blizzard Beach, which is a damn sight better than getting a transfer to Disney Springs to then go to Darkwing Lagoon. Let's go. Today we're headed to another aqua park at Disney. It's unusual that both are open at the same time, actually.
Yeah, I've never known it before. Well, actually, maybe I have them once.
I think I have once as well. But anyway, the 2015.
Yeah.
This is Blizzard Beach. Place called?
Lotta Wata Lodge, I think.
Yeah, Lotta Wata Lodge. So the kids have ordered chicken strips. They're huge.
The size of them, they're enormous.
Yeah, hang on a minute. Helen's hand at the side, or my hand at the side, to give you an idea.
Thank you.
There's a cheeseburger. That's the chicken bowl there, which we'll show you in a minute. And the flatbread looks decent. Look at his flatbread. That looks. I like the look of the base of that, actually. He's managed to fold it up. And then use it like a calzone or a sandwich. Helen's got a chicken and rice bowl. And I've got a chicken and prawn rice bowl. We've had better, we've had worse quick service meals. Helen left hers, it was too salty. Quite a bit of chicken in the bowls, got a taste of sesame. Sugar snap peas in there, which was nice.
It was completely soaked in soy sauce though, and that's what made it really too. I couldn't eat it, way too salty.
For me, it was a little bit salty and sweet, actually.
Yeah, it was sweet. Not for me. The only quick service I've had worse than this up to now was the breakfast in the Mara. Yeah, which is our quick service restaurant. That's the second worst.
And Bob's going there for his dinner.
Yeah, but we had a meal there in an evening and it was alright.
And the other problem we have now is we got food as soon as we got in here. We've had a lazy day and we're late getting in, and it's chucking it down. We've not even seen the park yet. There is a lazy river. We'll show you that when we get on it shortly. There's nothing more relaxing than being on a lazy river. Bien? Bien?
Sun cream in my eyes.
Bien? Oh, hang on a minute. You got your thumbs up. And we're stopped again.
That's like the story of our holiday, that transport breaking down when we're on it or whatever. Never mind, quite a few views from here.
Here goes. I'm not liking this, it's swinging now.
Please remain seated. The chairlift will resume moving momentarily.
You guys don't know what I'm
Please
like with
remain
height.
seated. The chairlift
Scroll
will
up the point of the
resume
video.
Get your feet up. You have to be quick and run. I've got to get down now.
Hi!
Bye.
My hand through the strap.
Get ready.
Here goes.
Bye. Ready? Yep. Bye. Here we go. Woo! I really like this one. Don't forget, if you've enjoyed this video, give us a thumbs up. If you've not, give us 2 thumbs down. Subscribe because it's free and hit the notification bells so that you know when we've got another video being released. See you soon. Hasta pronto. Hey! Have a magical day. Now, how the hell am I going to get out of this? Come on, I'll have to roll out like I did last time.